So, tail cap here is going to be the on off, and we are immediately at low, and then we've got the, that was the indicator light, was green when we turned it on, and then it'll turn off, obviously. So that's low. Or I don't know. Oh, that's bright. Oh, wow. That is, yeah, that ain't no joke. Look at that, 1900 lumens coming out of this little guy. That's amazing. That's really, really bright. I will do a separate video right here. I'll shoot it so you guys can see it. I'll just do it in the house. But that is nice.